everyone, today I will show you how to create a simple language art lesson using my viewboard. So I have chosen a poem entitled The Mill. So how do you create this beautiful background? It's very easy. First you can click here, background management. Click this bird. Here you go, you will see all the backgrounds here. So for my poem, it's about food, so I type here food. So I click it, so it will become my background. Next, how do I type words? So click this one, text button, click once, and you may type the mail. Alright, next. So this lesson objective I put here. Pupils will be able to create a healthy breakfast, and at the end of the lesson we'll be able to ask about breakfast choice. Okay, the first activity, before I teach them the poem, I will teach them words. So I will ask them to read and match to guess the words. Type here tunic, and I'll put this word. Oops. Tunic. So how do I create images here and make drag and drop feature? It's very easy. First you type the words, and then first you click this web browser and search any images that you would like. I suggest to search PNG pictures. Alright, and now you may take a photo. And now you crop the photo first. Oops. Okay, now you click the photo. Oops, this is to set the background. Sorry. Okay, I can always undo the action. Now I crop photo. Alright, so and how do I remove the background? It's very easy. Click this button, okay, and then point to where you didn't want. Once again. Okay, this is too much. Okay, undo. Alright, just nice, and click done. And there you go. You have tunic here. And same goes with other images. So you can see it's very easy to create drag and drop images here. Next, I can type the whole poem here using the text feature. You see, using the text feature, I can text the whole poem here. And then what's the best here is I can also use immersive feature, immersive reader, so that pupils can read on their own too with guidance. So click here, play.
The meal. Timothy Tompkins had turnips and tea.
Alright, so the immersive reader will read the poem for the kids. And if they have anything that they don't know, they can click on the word and it will read for them.
Turnips.
And they have pictures to explain the words for them. So it's very kids friendly. Right? To go back, I just click this one. Alright. Next. So here I have another activity. After reading activity, I will ask them to circle the food from the poem. So very easy. I just use search the pictures using the browser. Alright. And then I use this pen and ask them to circle the food that's in the poem. For example, this one. Alright, so we can always ask pupils to come in front and circle. And if they do anything wrong, it's okay, we can click undo button or click eraser button so they can browse. Okay, next. Alright, after that I will ask them to do group activity to ask their group mates what's their favorite food. And here, due to the time constraint at class, so I will always use a timer. How to put this timer? Look here, click on the magic box, click on tools, click the second one, the timer, double click, so you have a timer here. And to adjust the time, we can just click the setting. So we can always adjust the time. We can read for them too. Okay. If we don't want the timer, we can just cross it, delete it. So this is the timer. Next. Okay, here I also use drag and drop feature to create these images for them to drag and drop all the food onto the plate so that they can create a healthy breakfast in groups. Okay. So they can come in front and make a healthy breakfast plate. And after that, I will ask them to rate the place, whether it's healthy, unhealthy, or not bad. So this one, this background, I can search from background management here. Okay. Again, food and you see the background. Anything you would like, you can just type here. Yeah, I'll have this one. Okay, just click it and you get the background. And then I use text box to type the words that I want here. Okay. And then to lock the word so that they won't move, they cannot be moved, I just click this one, this lock. Okay, lock the selected object. And then I will ask the pupils to rate which plate is unhealthy, not bad, or healthy. So here I use drag and drop feature so that they can rate the plates. So this is a very easy and simple tutorial for everyone to create a very simple teaching materials so that pupils can enjoy the lesson at class using MyViewBoard. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.